Ever wondered what sets PlayStation apart from Xbox? Today, we're delving into a detailed comparison of these two gaming titans. From their inception, PlayStation and Xbox have reshaped the gaming landscape, each offering unique experiences to gamers worldwide. But what makes them distinct? What aspects do they excel at? And why is it essential to understand these differences? These are the questions we're going to answer today. So let's dive into this exciting world of gaming and explore the differences between PlayStation and Xbox. When it comes to the hardware, both PlayStation and Xbox have their own unique strengths. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty. The PlayStation boasts an 8-core AMD Zen 2 processor, while the Xbox matches it with a similar 8-core custom AMD processor. As for the graphics, the PlayStation's AMD Radeon RDNA 2-based graphics engine goes head-to-head with the Xbox's custom RDNA 2 AMD graphics. Both consoles are neck and neck in this department, providing stunning visuals that enhance the gaming experience. When we talk about storage, the Xbox pulls ahead slightly with a 1TB custom NVMe SSD, compared to the PlayStation's custom 825GB SSD. The difference might seem small, but it can impact how many games you can store. With all these specs in mind, it's clear that both consoles are powerhouses in their own right. But what about the software? Moving on to software and user experience, both PlayStation and Xbox have distinct features that set them apart. PlayStation's operating system, for instance, is known for its slick, intuitive interface, with a clean design that makes navigation a breeze. It's all about ease of use and getting you into the game as quickly as possible. On the other hand, Xbox's operating system offers a more customizable experience. You can personalize your home screen, pin your favorite apps, and even choose your own color scheme. It's a system that's designed to adapt to you and your gaming preferences. But it's not just about the operating systems. The user experience extends to things like online services, where PlayStation Plus and Xbox Live Gold offer different benefits and free games each month. It's these little touches that add to the overall experience. While both consoles offer robust software experiences, their exclusive games are what truly set them apart. Exclusive games are a major selling point for any console, and both PlayStation and Xbox have some heavy hitters in their lineups. PlayStation has always been renowned for its strong library of exclusive titles. Games like The Last of Us, God of War, and Uncharted series have not only defined the PlayStation brand, but have also pushed the boundaries of video game storytelling. On the other hand, Xbox's exclusive games such as Halo, Gears of War, and Forza Motorsport have garnered a massive following, offering unique experiences that can't be found elsewhere. These games have not only influenced the success of each system, but have also shaped the gaming industry as a whole. But remember, it's not just about the quantity of exclusive games, but the quality and diversity that truly makes a console stand out. In the end, whether you choose PlayStation or Xbox might just come down to which exclusive games you're most interested in playing. So, what's the verdict? PlayStation or Xbox? Let's recap. PlayStation boasts superior exclusive titles and a user-friendly interface, while Xbox shines with its powerful hardware and extensive backward compatibility. PlayStation's exclusives are a draw for many, but Xbox's Game Pass offers an unbeatable library of games. The user experience, it's a toss-up, with both companies striving to make gaming as seamless as possible. No matter which console you prefer, one thing's for sure, both PlayStation and Xbox offer amazing experiences for gamers around the world.